Hi, welcome again to Hindi Learning Made Easy Vocabulary Series. Part 1 Word of the Day, Lesson 1.3. In this video, the word of the day is friend. We will learn word friend in Hindi and also how to use it in Hindi sentences. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to make and speak your own simple sentences using word friend. Let's get started. The word friend in Hindi is dost. Observe that when you say ta, your tongue is touching the teeth from behind. It is not dost, it is dost. Speak with me, dost. Just recall, in Hindi language, all animate and inanimate objects are associated with gender. To make it simple for kids, I will be showing you a girl or a boy image to show the gender of the word. Here, you can see boy image as well as girl image. That means the word dost can be used as masculine as well as feminine. So when it is masculine and when it is feminine, simple. When friend is masculine, the word dost is masculine. When friend is feminine, then the word dost is feminine. Let us try to understand more in detail. Before we learn more about the gender of the word dost and its use, let us learn some basic words. First, few words we have already learned in our previous videos. The first word is, which is in Hindi, hai. Are is hain. The next word is and is aur. Speak with me, aur. Next word, my. We have learned this word in our previous lessons and we know my is mera. But do you see on the screen, my can be mera, meri or mere. Just try to remember at the moment my is mera or meri or mere. Now let us make the first sentence using word dost. In English, Sachin is my friend. As Sachin is masculine, word dost here will be masculine. When we use my with the masculine gender in Hindi, my will be mera. So my friend in Hindi will be mera dost in this sentence. Now, the Hindi sentence will be Sachin mera dost hai. Speak with me. Sachin mera dost hai. Let us make another sentence using word dost for feminine gender. Sentence number 2 is Kathy is my friend. As Kathy is feminine, word dost will be feminine. When we use my with feminine gender in Hindi, we say meri. Now, what will be my friend in Hindi here? In this sentence, my friend will be मेरी दोस्त. Now the whole sentence will be कैथी मेरी दोस्त है. Speak with me. कैथी मेरी दोस्त है. Now let us make one more sentence using word dost for more than one friend. The sentence is Sachin and Kathy are my friends. When we use my with plural or for more than one, in Hindi we say it मेरे. So my friends will be मेरे दोस्त. Now the whole sentence in Hindi will be Sachin और कैथी मेरे दोस्त हैं. Speak with me. सचिन और कैथी मेरे दोस्त हैं. Let us make sentence number 4 using word dost for more than 2 friends. Here the sentence is Kathy, Peter, Rita and Sachin are my friends. We have just learned when we use my with plural or for more than one, in Hindi we say मेरे. So my friends will be मेरे दोस्त. Complete sentence will be Kathy, Peter, Rita और सचिन मेरे दोस्त हैं. Speak with me. Kathy, Peter, Rita और सचिन मेरे दोस्त हैं. Have you noticed? Friend or friends both are dost in Hindi. So it can be मेरा दोस्त, मेरी दोस्त और मेरे दोस्त. Let us revise. Friend or friends both are dost in Hindi. And gender of the word dost can be masculine or feminine. I would request you to make your own similar simple sentences using friend or friends and write them in your notebook. Remember, learning a language will be easy when you speak. So don't forget to speak with me when you watch the video. Also, try to speak your own Hindi sentences and be confident. You can also write your Hindi sentences in your comments and send it to me. I will try my best to reply. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and learning Hindi with me. See you again in the next video with one more new Hindi word. फिर मिलेंगे. नमस्ते.